Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantelle. So this is the second part of a two-part series where I'm transforming this Bali villa. Stay locked in, I think you're going to enjoy it.
If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases.
Okay, so today we're putting the rest of the elements together in order to complete the room. And for me, a room cannot be complete without an assortment of plants. Bali is such a beautiful place to be able to get plants from because of the choice of lush plants that are readily available here. Next up, I want to pick up a unique piece. I don't really know what I'm looking for when I come to this store, but I always find something. And then my eyes fall upon this lamp. It's just so unique, so earthy, that I think it will be a beautiful piece that will go really well in the space. So I picked that up from here. When that arrives, I cannot wait to open it because I know it's just going to be a perfect fit. I think it's really good to have one or two really unique, quirky pieces in a room. The villa is pretty big, it's got really high ceilings, so it can really afford to have a piece like that. I come to another store where again I'm just looking for some decor elements. This store has some beautiful carved pieces and really unique pieces as well. The workmanship is always top notch and I can just get lost in this store, to be honest. One of the things that I really need to lock down on is art. I know the kind of art that I'm looking for, and so I'm browsing Giovanna Photography's website because she has the most stunning art pieces. It's so hard though to choose because everything is beautiful. But after a while, thinking about the colours that I have in the room, I decide that this is my piece. She's called Selena and she's from the Suri tribe in Ethiopia. The colours are just an absolute perfect fit for the room. I can't wait to get it. I've picked up a couple of plant pots. None of them really fit 100%, but that's okay. I just get some paint. This is paint that I had for the tester for the wall and I've mixed it up with just another little colour just because that's what I do. I don't like flat colours and it's given me like a layered kind of look that I really like. I really love that you can mess about with paint and tweak things to get the look and feel that you want. After it's painted, I jazz it up even more by adding some gold spray paint. There are a couple of metallic pieces in the room, so I think adding the spray will really jazz it up. This is a little visitor that I had that was watching me paint, and this is what the pot looks like when it's finished. Really different from when it started, and I just think it makes it look really interesting and it's going to look really good in the space. So then it's really just starting to put things together. These chairs are not the best chairs. They're not chairs that I would have purchased myself, but they come with the villa. So they really need some help. Some throws, some cushions and accessories are really going to make it look and feel a lot better and less drab. I really love this stage of the process, you know, when you've bought everything and you think, okay, now it's time to put everything together and your vision comes alive. This is always a really fun part of the process for me. So the artwork finally arrives and this is kind of like the sealer, the glue that's going to bind the whole design together. You have to wait till the end to see it though. Can't be giving it all away now, come on. Alright, so here's a quick reminder of the room before and after. Totally transformed. The photography features a young girl called Selena and she's from a tribe called the Suri tribe in Ethiopia. They use banana leaves as scarves, dried grass as headdresses, arranged flowers that serve as crowns, and they really make the best of their available resources. This is the view as I'm walking down the stairs, and you know what? It just makes me so happy. I just feel like it's me. I love it. I love how it's come together and how, you know, it makes me feel, and it really feels like an extension of the outside because the garden is there, it's so lush, the green colour of that accent wall and the plants, it almost has that kind of indoory, outdoory feel. It has a real like organic feel, and I just love the fact that I've been able to find pieces that represent Bali and what Bali is about, you know, those beautiful timbers, the carved pieces, but also that feels like it represents me. I feel like there's so much connection between the Indonesian decor and African inspired decor as well. This piece, obviously, which is, you know, this was set in Africa, but also the fabrics, the patterns, the carved pieces, it kind of brings those two cultures together, and I think that's something that really attracts me to Indonesian decor. The room's got a really good mix of vintage as well as modern pieces. So these two pieces on the wall are not authentic, they're quite modern pieces, but they really still look great. And on this stand here, I have more of the vintage pieces. So in the first video, I met with the owner and he talked about some of the history behind these pieces. A few of them are, you know, pieces that are used in traditional weddings. So I love that we've been able to combine that, and it still looks good, the fact that we've used new and old together. What's really nice about this room is the outlook to the pool and being able to see the water as well as, you know, all the plants. And I've really just tried to make use of all the space. So this little void on top of the door here, I've put these 3 timber pieces and some plants, and it all just kind of, you know, makes every space well considered and brings it all together. I'm still in love with this table, even though it was such a pain to get in. I just think it's a beautiful addition to the room and really centers the room. And here's my little planter that I did my little DIY on earlier. Look how cute it is, if I say so myself. I love all the planters actually, and I'll probably still build on the plants in the room, who knows. I don't want to go over the top, but I just love plants and I love the energy that they bring. Okay, so that's about it. As always, let me know what you think. Like, leave a comment, share, and if you want to set up a design consultation, if you have a space that you need help with, there are some links in the description of how you can get in contact with me. I offer virtual design services to clients all over the globe and face-to-face services if you're in Bali or Melbourne, Australia. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, catch you soon.